sit-ups versus crunches, which is better for strength training? Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to core exercises, the age-old debate between sit-ups and crunches often leaves fitness enthusiasts wondering which is better for strength training. Both exercises target the abdominal muscles, but they do so in different ways. Understanding the distinctions between sit-ups and crunches can help you choose the right exercise for your fitness goals. Sit-ups, the classic core builder. Sit-ups involve a full range of motion, engaging not only the abdominal muscles, but also the hip flexors and lower back. By lying on your back, bending your knees, and lifting your upper body towards your knees, sit-ups provide a comprehensive workout for the core. This exercise is excellent for building overall core strength and endurance, but it may place more strain on the lower back and neck if not performed correctly. Crunches, the isolated abdominal focused crunches, on the other hand, focus solely on the abdominal muscles by lifting just the shoulders off the ground while keeping the lower back on the floor. Crunches minimize the involvement of the hip flexors and lower back. This isolation makes crunches a safer option for those with back issues and a great way to specifically target the rectus abdominis. However, crunches might not provide the same overall core strength benefits as sit-ups. Which should you choose? The choice between sit-ups and crunches depends on your fitness level, goals, and any existing physical conditions. If you're looking for a comprehensive core workout and have no back issues, sit-ups might be the way to go. For those who want to focus on the ABS while minimizing strain on the lower back, crunches are a better option. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one.